Hey everybody, had to go vertical on this one here. This is an air purifier, and not just any purifier, one from Blondell. I have not really heard of Blondell before, but this is one product they sent me to review, and I'll do the other review once I get that. This, though, I'm trying out, because let's face it, we're all afraid right now of getting COVID. A lot of us, some of us have had COVID already, like me, and are afraid it's going to just somehow show up in all of our house. I've been lucky so far. But I know a lot of us are afraid to go to school, afraid to go to work, simply because it's in the air. Well, this says it can get rid of the COVID-19 in the air, and I keep turning it on. Anyway, it came to me this way. I just sort of took it out of the box. There isn't really much assembly. In fact, all that was really in it was this basic thing. And then it had the air filters here. There's actually 2 filters in here. Let's see if I can take out one of those from this side so you can check it out. Yeah, see that hexagonal filter? There's this one here. Now hopefully I can put this back here without creating too much of a fuss and just kind of stick this on, which looks like it appears to go on magnetically, but I might not be able to. Okay. Okay, here we go. All right, okay. So controls are up here, and they are very much push button. So it's strange. It's turning it on accidentally now, but now that I want to deliberately turn, maybe this thing isn't on here. So, there we go. Okay, it wasn't on quite correctly, so. And now it's filtering the air. I'm told it can do greater than 99.9 as far as like getting rid of COVID-19 virus. So that'd be kind of cool if it did. I'm going to do an article about what these controls can do here, but I definitely wanted to show it off here. And yeah, I had to go vertical on this. This may be great for TikTok, but yeah, I'm starting with YouTube, and that's where I like to do. But I also do a TikTok too, so we have a TikTok channel. Subscribe to that if you're not already. And we'll talk about this in our article. And until then, this is Mark Rollins from The Geek Church, signing off.